All right, we look a little bit ragged. We're only showing you our kitchen cabinets behind us. That's because our house is in a disarray of various boxes and states of packing. It looks about as much in shambles as we do.
That's the nicest way to say it's a garbage pile, basically.
Yeah. So this is the week that our pod arrives. I believe we have 9 days to get it filled up before next Monday it gets shipped out.
Yeah.
And we'd love to tell you where we're going, but we still can't at the moment. It's not that we're holding it to tease you, although we are. It's also that there's a lot of moving parts to make sure it happens.
Yeah.
So as soon as we're confident that everything is lined up, we will also bring you all into the loop. But join us as we put ourselves through torture of packing the pod this week.
Meanwhile, my eyes are closing just thinking about everything we have to go through. How bad could it be?
Did I say, oh, the pod is almost packed.
Well,
We're getting there. We're standing at the very end of it now with the door in front of us. We're getting there. It's been quite a week with the pod trying to get it all filled up.
Yeah.
But whew, we're moving along. Wait till you see all the paperwork that this week's been entailing too. It's been fun.
Yeah, and also, you know I love to check my thing. All right, it is 10 o'clock. It is already 80 degrees.
And it's probably hotter in this pod right now. So we have the fan going.
Humid. Florida.
Yeah, but that has been our week packing up this pod. So if you want to find out where this pod is going, make sure to give this video a giant thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to find out where its destination might be.
And click the bell icon to be notified when we get there.